Hello everyone, this is Irv Miller, aka Mr. Defense, and today we're going to talk about the dog bark alarm. We have some customers that are having issues with it. You have to set these things up properly, but once they are set up correctly, they do work very well. Here we have a basic unit. We sell a couple different brands. Today we're looking at the Streetwise brand. You want to make sure you have it plugged in. It's a regular DC 12 volt adapter that comes with it. You want to plug it in, and you want to make sure you put your battery in your unit in this direction. So the way the unit works is it actually detects through microwaves all the way around the unit. Your largest detection area comes from the actual back of the unit, where it can go out as far as 15 feet. The sides and the front are 5 to 10 feet of a radius of where it actually detects. So in an open area where it's sitting now, it has its greatest detection area, where if you put it back up against a wall, it goes out around 5 to 5.5 yards, I believe. And the way these things work is it detects motion all the way around the unit, and then it puts off an alarm, whether it's a dog bark or a chime, however you have it set. Now, I'm going to show you how to configure this unit so that you can work it easily. Now, on this side, you'll notice you've got on and off, and you can hear this. That's how you turn it on. And then you got your volume, so you can turn it all the way up if you choose to. And then this is your range. All the way to the left is going to be the smallest range, which can be 1 to 2 feet, and then you crank it all the way up. It can go out as far as 20 feet. And you pretty much want to set that to where you're worried about motion. If you want to put it to your door and you want it to go 2 feet from your door, then you would crank it down and test it. The volume is going to be handled on this bottom button. On this side, you've got your power to show that it is turned on, and actually right now it's showing arm. So we're going to disarm it with the remote. That's a disarm and an arm sound. On this side, you can set it whether you want an alarm, whether you want it to chime, or you want it to bark. Now, most people buy this for the dog bark. Now, without the remote, if you want to arm the unit, you simply hit the arm disarm button right here. Now, this unit's armed. The light is on. But now what has to happen is the unit has to acclimate to the area. So it's reading and sensing the area and everything that's going on around it. So this is where you have to just leave it set for approximately 60 seconds. I'm going to shorten the video so that you can hear what happens as this thing's ready to go. Alright, what you just heard is this unit is now active and armed. I'm going to approach. We just disarmed it. As you can see how the unit functions, the first time you get near it, it lets out a little bark, and then you move around it again and it barks a little more, and then finally he just starts barking his head off because he figures you're not leaving. It's a very neat unit. The thing works extremely well as long as you have your volume adjusted properly and allow the unit to acclimate to the area like I just demonstrated. Once you hear that beep, this thing's ready to go, but you have to give it that time and be away from the unit before the thing will acclimate to the area that it's going to monitor and sensor. If you have any questions, just give us an email or give us a call. Thanks.